Guys, MrAlanC checking out the chest mount harness from Sametop for your action camera or GoPro. So I got it on, I just tried it on for the first time. Comes with this device. The black part connects to your GoPro or action camera case, and you can just slide this into place. So I've never done it before, but it looks fairly easy. Make sure it clicks, and now we're ready to hit the streets and get some action camera footage from this awesome mount. This is great. It's real light on your chest. I don't really have audio on this one because I used a waterproof case, but you could use this chest mount in all sorts of situations. Like I used a waterproof case. You could use it on a water slide. You could use it parachuting, anything you're good at. So pretty cool, and I thought this would be just a good demonstration to show you how steady the video is that I captured, because when I try my other mounts on my e-bike here when I'm riding, they tend to get a bit bouncy, but wearing it on this chest mount seems to stabilize it quite a bit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick preview of video I got using the chest mount, and we'll close the video up here. The bike ride, guys, you can also flip the camera upside down for additional angle options, and thanks for checking this out with me. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.